What if I told you that the secret to building a billion-dollar business could be crawling right under your nose? Imagine turning yesterday's kitchen scraps into a cash flow that never stops. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of black soldier fly farming, the insect-powered revolution that's sweeping across Kenya and changing lives everywhere. Picture this. A humble black soldier fly transforms piles of food waste into pure gold. No bites, no diseases. Their larvae are simply packed with protein and sell like wildfire for animal feed and fertilizer. You don't need acres of expensive land or fancy machinery. Just a small shed, a few containers, and a vision. Feed them market leftovers, kitchen scraps, even yuggly remains. Every female fly lays up to 500 eggs. The larvae multiply fast, ready to become your next big payday. 1 kilogram of these protein-rich larvae fetches between Ks 150 and 250. That means local chicken, pig, and fish farmers are lining up to buy, and major producers like kienyeji are already on board. But that's not all. You also harvest frass, an organic fertilizer adored by crop farmers. So every bit of waste gets transformed, nothing goes to waste. Young entrepreneurs across Kenya are proving the model, turning trash into treasure. With just Ks 30,000, about the cost of a smartphone, you can set up your own insect farm. In less than 3 months, you'll be making sales every single week. Steady income, sustainable impact, real freedom. Why toss out leftovers when you could be launching your own insect empire? The next wave of millionaires may not be mining for gold. They'll be farming it in bins and sheds. If you're ready to build wealth, help the planet, and join the movement, the time is now. Imagine who else eats yuggly daily. Send them this opportunity and start your journey together. Don't forget, like this video, share it with your fellow dreamers, and hit subscribe to catch more powerful business ideas. Your next billion could start with a single click.